Okay then, year 5. So next week is Sustainability Week. I want you to look at some non-renewable energy forms. Okay, so fossil fuels, as you can see here, coal, natural gas and oil, very important in the UAE, are burned in power stations to produce electricity. Or they might be used for other things as well, like creating petrol or gas and making plastic, things like that. But when this happens, when they're burned for fuel, for electricity, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor and other gases are produced, and these gases are the causes of several environmental problems. Fossil fuels are a finite source of energy. Finite means that one day it will run out. And we're going to have a look at the way forward, or the future of energy. So there's some types of energy that I would like you to research. First one is biomass, hydroelectric, solar, wind, and wave. Okay, renewable sources. So all of these types of energy, renewable sources of energy, will never run out and can be used again and again. So I'm going to give you a brief overview of what some of these renewable energy sources are. So what is wind energy? The wind can make things move. Obviously it can be very powerful and can make things turn. This power is called wind energy. A long time ago people used windmills to make flour, but today big wind turbines work in the same way, but they use wind to generate electricity. Here you can see a wind turbine. So the wind spins the rotor blades. When the rotor blades spin, they turn a machine inside the top of the turbine called a generator. As the generator spins, it makes electricity. The electricity runs along power cables to homes and to other buildings. Have you seen any of these whilst being in the UAE? So solar power, okay, so using the energy from the sun. So this house has solar panels on the roof. When the sun's light shines on the panel, it turns it into electricity. And these little panels here are called photovoltaic panels. Hydroelectric energy. What is hydroelectric energy? So in this picture we have a reservoir, okay, the water at the back, and a dam, okay, which is kind of stopping the water from flowing out. A dam is a huge concrete wall that holds the water back. There are gates in the dam to let the water through. When the gates are open, the water rushes through these pipes, okay, and inside are some turbines. The water pushes these turbines and it starts to make electricity. And finally, biomass energy. So the farmer planted these trees that you can see in the picture to make fuel. The farmer cuts the young trees, so very, very small trees, to make small wooden chips. We burn these chips, which turn a turbine with steam, and then they can be used to make electricity. As soon as the trees are cut down, the farmer plants new ones, so the fuel never runs out. That is why it is renewable. So we go all the way back up to the way forward. I would like you to research any of these renewable energy sources, and you can choose how to show how you have learned something or what you have learned. So I don't mind if it's a piece of writing, maybe a presentation, or even a poster on one of these sources of renewable energy, and it needs to be in by Sunday.